So what is going on, guys? Eagle today. How are you feeling?
My eyes are just not attracting to the light.
Yeah, okay. So we're out here today in Amsterdam for the third day in a row. This is like our last main day as well, which is a bit annoying. Yo, what's up? So we're now at the breakfast club. Minnie's obviously gonna get pancakes. Yeah?
Was that judgment or was that just a...
No, I'm just guessing.
And what
Oh,
drink?
sorry. I'm sorry.
Pancakes, maybe.
2 vanilla milkshakes.
Okay.
Pancakes.
Okay.
Bacon roll.
Yes.
What drink will I get?
Maybe
Diet
fruit.
Coke.
What am I gonna get?
You're gonna get a coffee. Maybe like a panini or like a sandwich.
No.
Okay. We're gonna stay here and we're gonna go into the central, do some cool things because it's our last main day here, so we want to get some cool stuff done. My iced coffee just came. How's it look? Ratings? Bang.
Looks like there's like a ton of sugar in the bottom of it,
I don't know. Should we try it?
and then it's just coffee sat on top. Looks like it's really nice though. Is that nice?
I know.
Do you like coffee?
Oh, that's paying.
It's a lot.
Wait, but Spencer, it's as good as the Dennis one.
That's better than Denny's.
Really?
That is better than Denny's. Everybody's watching the vlog. Legit.
Because at the end of my vlog, I was
Levels. It's levels. Right, so that was absolutely insane. It was like, I don't know. It was like some tomato thing. That was really, really good.
Right,
I think in a minute. What?
Right.
Why does he put that on his story then? Right, please explain.
Absolutely awful. Anyway, we're gonna go to Central in a minute. I think we really. Shut up! Who is this kid? Popeye over there. Right, literally. We're gonna go into Central in a minute. Okay. What are we gonna do? What happened last night, James?
I saw this girl catch my arm. I was like,
In the window.
that's not what happened. Well, basically, they'll push me in. And yeah, I went for a little look around her place.
What did I pay for? What did I pay a girl to do?
Go on, just say it.
I'm dead.
We just finished up with breakfast. It was pretty good actually.
8 out of 10.
8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. Good. Really nice.
Set expectations last night. I came to the realization, and I hope you can take it. I hope you can take it up. I said myself can last for you. Baby, you just make me want to love for you.
Even if never, I'll kill you.
So Millie's trying to pick up birds. Literally trying to pick up birds in Amsterdam. Bad times. Not for you though.
Actual YouTuber.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Yeah. But anyway, we're gonna go up now. I need to go find some shoes. Okay. I think that's what we're going for. I'm not going to spend on the Gucci, so.
No, listen, he's gonna get the silver Gucci.
Yeah. So I'm going to go find some shoes now. Let's go. I think that's so cool. What do you think? It's interesting. I don't think that's so cool.
No, that is. I like so far.
Is it worth a K though?
I wouldn't buy it for a K.
Really?
Obviously
I'd
not.
buy it for a K if I could really afford it.
That's a K.
Yeah.
That's disgusting.
Yeah, but like it's so warm.
Yeah, true. I guess if you just can't speak until you upload it.
I know. What do you think?
No, it is nice. I genuinely like it.
Do I want it or do I need it?
It would look so cool.
Then again, treat yourself.
Palmy's buying the coolest jeans I've literally seen. Anyway, they look cool. They're cool. Got a little sequence on. How are you feeling about them?
I'm feeling. I just hope they look edgy. If they're edgy, comment down below telling me thanks.
I think they are. Going on it.
Just walk in, my pet.
I don't know. I think they're cool. They're so weird though. I think I was going out. Yeah. I actually love it. Look at that. Mate, that's mad. It's actually so mad. I love it out here. Literally, absolutely insane. I love it. So Millie's just got a new cop. I'm very proud of her. 97's too much, but this colour's cool.
Yeah.
I rate. What are you rating this cheese?
I really like it.
Actually, next called Van Gogh. Sorry, Cal, mate.
This one's cow skin and bull skin. Oh, thank you.
That's really nice. Right, so we're now just done some shopping. Millie's got some shoes and stuff, but it's all cool. But for now, I think we're gonna try. Was it Shisha Bar?
Shisha? Why are you asking me? I don't want to go there. You act like I want to go there.
Trying to be PG like.
Trying to get that ad monetization like.
But yeah, I think we're gonna go there. We're gonna see what it's like. Hopefully it'll be cool. I don't even know. You'll soon see.
Extra. don't say my name like they do at shows. Only difference is out here your voice had to come in on your legs. They feeling so nice, you engulfed, here's some smoke. Keep your mind at ease, I hope you don't forget to breathe. Ghost story.
Goodbye, hotel room. Thank you so much for letting us stay. It was amazing. But we've got to go now, so let's go home. Bye guys, let's go back home. Bye. Bye.
Trust me, I don't need a break. I think I
This girl catch my eye, I was like,
need some faith. I think I'm losing my way. Yeah, I'm so pretty faded from the first time. I'm not trying to take too much of your time. I just need a baddie for the night. One night, yeah, you could make it home before the night ends. Oh baby, like sheesh, why you gotta haunt me in my dreams?